hello, welcome to Havilah Elsha kitchen. Today we are making chocolate ice cream brownie sizzler. It's very delicious and very yummy. Now let's get started. Take a dark chocolate and cut chocolate into pieces. Boil it in a double boiler system as shown in the video. Once you added the chocolate, add 2 cubes of butter and boil till you get fine syrup. Take the syrup in a fresh bowl. Add half a cup of cocoa powder, half a cup of powdered sugar, half tablespoon of baking powder, 1½ cup of refined flour or maida. Mix it well. And add 1 small cup of milk and mix it further to get fine paste. Now take a baking bowl, place butter paper and add the prepared mixture and top it with walnuts. Keep this baking bowl in oven for 20 to 30 minutes and maintain temperature as 180. Once it is done, take it out from the oven and cut the brownie into pieces. This looks delicious. Now our brownie is ready. Enjoy your brownie, guys. Take a pan, add 2 small cubes of butter, grated chocolate and fresh cream. Fresh cream is very important. Once you added the fresh cream, mix it well to get a fine syrup. Heat the sizzler pan on the stove. Once it is heated, place the sizzler pan on a wooden serving tray. Place the brownie on the serving tray. Add 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Pour the prepared sauce or syrup. Since we are chocolate lovers, you guys already know that. So we made syrup very thick. You can make it into and finally top it off with some brown chocolate syrup and some walnuts. Wow, now this looks fantastic, right? So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and try it. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you. Bye bye.